Hello everyone, now come to our next topic, relation. The word used here, relation, has the same meaning which we have in our everyday life. A is a father of B, A is a brother of B, A is a friend of B. Same type of relation we are using in maths also. A is less than B, A is greater than B, A is equal to B, A is square of B, A is square root of B, A is cube root of B. That type of relation. Now come to our definition. What we are having in definition: a relation R. It is noted by capital R. A relation R from non-empty set. Non-empty set A to a non-empty set B. Is a subset of the Cartesian product of A cross B. Means relation R is a subset of Cartesian product A to B. For example, let we are having two set P set and Q set. In P we are having three element A, B and C, and in Q set we are having four elements Ali, Bhanu, Vinoy, Chandra. And relation R is given first element or alphabet represent the first letter of name. Means we are having two set P set and Q set, and relation is given P is having relation with Q. What relation is there? A same is there, means first letter A, then A is having relation with Ali. B, Binoy, same letter, so B is having relation with Bhanu and Binoy. C is having relation with Chandra. In roster form, how we can represent it? Relation R is equal to A is having relation with Ali, B is having relation with Bhanu, C is having relation with Chandra, B is also having relation with Vinoy. These four elements are there in relation R. But in Cartesian product, what we are having? Cartesian product: A with Ali, A with Bhanu, A with Vinoy, A with Chandra. B with Ali, B with Bhanu, B with Vinoy, B with Chandra. C with Ali, C with Bhanu, C with Vinoy, C with Chandra. And this R means first letter should be same: A, B, B, C, C, D, B, B. So these are those ordered pair which are having some relation. P is having relation with Q. Now how we can represent? Now by arrow diagram, how we can represent it? In A set, let it be your P set. Here we are having three elements A, B and C, and here we are having Q set. Four elements are there: Ali, Bhanu, Vinoy and Chandra. Now A is having relation with Ali, B is having relation with Bhanu, B is having relation with Vinoy, C is having relation with Chandra. Now what we are getting, a relation R from set A to a set B is a subset of A cross B. A cross B is Cartesian product. Means relation may be subset of A cross B. Now come to our next topic, domain, range and codomain of relation. First point, domain. Let A be and B be two non-empty set. And R be the relation, capital R be a relation from set A to set B. Then the domain of the relation R is the set of all first component of the ordered pair belonging to R. Relation R. For example, in this question, what we are having? We are having these ordered pair related to relation R. So, in domain of a function, we are having A, B, C. So, domain of this relation is equal to A, B and C. What we have written? It's a let A and B are two non-empty set and R be a relation. Then the domain. What is the domain? Domain of relation R is the set of all. Means whatever ordered pair are there, the first element of ordered pair belonging to R is the set of domain. And second, range of the relation R. Relation R. Now range of the relation R, it is the set of all second element of the ordered pair belonging to relation R. For example, here what we are having, second element Ali, Bhanu and Vinoy and Chandra. So in relation R, second elements range of R is equal to Ali, Bhanu, Vinoy and Chandra. Means domain is the first element of that particular ordered pair and range is the second element of that particular ordered pair. Third one is codomain. If R is a relation from A to B set, then the whole set B is the codomain of that particular relation R. Here we are having first set P and second set Q. So this whole set Q is equal to our codomain. So in this example, our codomain of relation R is equal to Ali, Bhanu, Vinoy and Chandra. Now next topic is representation. Relation R. We can represent it by following way. First one by roster form. Second by set builder form. Third by arrow diagram.